Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I have another, this time unbagging for you. And you might, but it is a new bag. I have a bag in my bag. Now, this might look a little familiar, not exactly the same, but I bought something very similar to something else I already have. And as you can kind of tell, when I like something, I tend to buy multiples of it, kind of, maybe, sort of. Over here. Ah, thank you. All right, and so, this might seem kind of familiar to something I just did not too long ago. So I'm going to open this up here, and I bought this, I ended up buying this from Bloomingdale's. This is some weird packaging. I'm like, what is this? It says Loyalist all over it. And I'm like, I don't know what that is. But I knew what was coming today. And when I open it up, it does say Bloomingdale's. And I bought this off of Bloomingdale's because the site, the actual site is sold out. And after experiencing the wonderfulness that you are about to see in here, I knew that I had to have this one as well. I'm going to open this up here. And the bag comes in tissue paper and in a plastic bag that has the bag inside of it.
Makes sense.
Right? All right. So, I'm going to open this up. Still think like, wow, what is this? There can't be much in here. Oh, but there is. All right. So I have the dust bag here. The dust bag on it says Bag-Naghedi. They're a New York brand. And I had to have this little mini orange bag. And it comes with the little orange pouch and the orange strap. So this one's a little bit smaller than my current bag of the day. But actually, when I believe I can take everything out of here and place it in here, and it might be a little bit, work a little bit better for me, because this one kind of, I don't know, it's a beautiful mess, but, I mean, it's just, there's more room in there. And what am I going to do with more room? Find more things to put in it, which I don't need to do. Versus this, I just have what I need, the basics. And again, though, I really like that it comes with a little pouch. Now, pouch is a little bit different on that one. I want to show the difference between these here. So, this, my understanding, is a woven neoprene. And when you get the little bit bigger size here, it has a pouch that is also in neoprene. But when you get the pouch for this one, it's more of like well, it's probably neoprene, but not woven. And then it just has this little zip compartment with tissue paper in it. All right, so.
Neoprene, isn't that the stuff they make scuba suits out of?
Maybe, yes. Which probably means then these are just super waterproof and super nice. So again, you have another strap here, and it is adjustable. And it's a nice long strap. So let's see what happens here if I try to put what I have in here. So, oh, I'm going to take this out. Now this, too, I was going to show, has a really nice bottom. It's got I gotta open it up here for the camera person. A nice hard bottom in there. Right there. And so let's see what this is called. St. Bartz petite tote. So this is the petite tote. I believe this is the mini tote. So let's just open up this here. So I have a calendar. Put that right in here. I have this Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Put that in there. Little picture case from Louis Vuitton. These are the keys to my car. And a couple other keys in there. My fob, I mean. Keep that in here. This is what I'm using for a wallet currently, so we're gonna just shove that in there. I have some extra cards I keep in here. I have my change coins that I keep in there. And just put them right there.
It's like Hermione's bag.
Right. Sunglasses, okay. Yeah, they fit in there, but not the greatest. Oh, I've been looking for these. So those don't need to go in there. Oh, okay. And, okay. So let's see, am I out of everything? Nope, that's not true. I have crackers, which don't need to go in there. I have a pen. Let's see. Put my pen in there. I have Dior lipstick in here. That'll fit in there. So now the only thing though, see, I got this pouch. Okay, so I would have to take everything out of here and still stick it in here. That might be pushing it a bit. So I'm thinking that I would have to, let's not put our sunglasses in there. You shouldn't do that anyways if they don't have a cover. So,
and it is nighttime.
Right. So I'm just going to take this and let's see if I can shove a lot of what I have in there in here. Okay. I'm going to say not everything. Like the pen and the Tide stick.
You've already got one pen in there.
That's true. Okay, let's take that out. Thanks, hon. Okay. Okay. Oh, it fits. It fits in there. Not good, but it does. Hand sanitizer. I still like to carry that. Perfume. Okay, that can just go in here. I'll just shove that there for now. Okay, I got another chapstick. Yet another pen. We'll take those out because that's fair. My work tag, which I'm not going to pull out right now. My Chanel mirror. Well, and another hand sanitizer. So, okay, let's trade. I'm going to take this hand sanitizer because it's almost out empty. Take that out. Put the little mirror in here. Put that down there. Zip it. Put my perfume back in here off to the side. Put my little pouch in here. And there you have it. Just look at this. It's just so cute. So, okay. So now I have it full. And I would not say that this is too full. I mean, this is just cute. It's not, look at that. It's even got like room in here. I could push something big in there, put something in there yet. Also, if I was carrying this, first off, I wouldn't probably have this in here. I would probably put this into, I mean, all I keep in here generally is, well, another chapstick that I certainly wouldn't need.
Any pens in there?
And no, just a pack of gum. So I have gum and some cards here.
Playing cards?
No. And, oh, and a little pill container, which I could just slip in here. So I could definitely make this smaller if I wanted to. And I certainly have smaller wallets than this. This is kind of bulky for, especially with this little lock that sticks out, the Smallberry one. So if you take those out of there and figure I put something a little bit smaller in place of that, then you'd still have plenty of room here for, you know, everything. And to me, that's really funny because look at the difference between the two. But I just had to have something in the orange. I just had to. So I got the little petite, and just to see how it would work. The straps are, like I said, removable and adjustable. They have this little thing here. It has their name on it, but I don't know if, I mean, that's, I guess the purpose is just to have its name on there like that. Just seems like you could do something like that. I know.
Put your sunglasses?
Yes! Way to steal my thunder.
That's what I do.
Look at that.
Nifty.
So see, yeah, I just love these. So I don't know. I just thought it might be helpful to see a size comparison, and then these get even bigger. I think there's 2 or 3 sizes larger than this. So I just thought this might be helpful for people. Again, this is Nagadi. It's N-A-G, I should know this by now. Naghedi, Nagadi. And I believe, again, this is a New York, that these bags are made in New York, and a New York designer. And yeah, you can buy them at Bloomingdale's as well. I bought my original one off the site. Like I said, they were out of the orange in every color. And when I found Bloomingdale's had this little petite one, I snapped it right up. So there you have it. Oh, just one other comparison. Let's just take a look at the straps. And the straps are definitely thinner on the petite. So I'm sure they're going to wear well. Like I said, I've been using this for all week, and this is super, super comfortable. I can't say enough good things about it. Like I said, I've been using this bag for a week. I absolutely love it, which is what prompted me to know that I needed the orange. I mean, look at this. I should somehow carry them together. Like, what I do is just put this in here. See? And then I could put some... Then I could put some other stuff in here if I really wanted it big. And then I could even do a different color strap. So I can have a lot of fun with these now. And I can assure you, I probably will. So if you have any questions on these bags, let me know. I really recommend them. I am so pleased. I'm very excited to try out more new I guess independent brands is kind of the way to say it. I have, we're used to all the big ones, Chanel, Prada, Dior. Well, I love Celine. There's that rate, that level, which are great. Then you get more like the Mulberries, Aspinall of London's, into the Coaches and stuff. And I just am excited about finding other brands that are closer to affordable. This one, let's see if it says here on my little tag how much it was. I know the tag is still in here because we did not see how I have that tucked in. It's like a little kangaroo pouch. Let's see if this has a price on it. $210 for this one. I believe this one was more like $260, $250, but in the grand scheme of things, with what we're paying for bags, these are relatively speaking inexpensive. Again, relative being the word. They're very well made. I don't know how they're gonna wear overall, but so far I've been really pleased with mine. I don't worry about it. I haven't had any color transfer, like from jeans onto that or vice versa. And yeah, just thought it'd be fun to show a new brand that might interest you, that has some exciting, fun new colors, a little bit different texture, and just not something you see every day. And these seem like the perfect summer bag. So lots of different neutral colors too, for those of you who don't like as much color. There's some really pretty cashmere, and they black, and just some other fun colors. So I think that's all I have to say about these. If you have any questions, though, please leave them in the comments. Leave comments. I love comments. I love interacting with all of you and getting to know you a little bit better that way. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Mr. Mick, the man behind the camera, will show his face once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Not just his hands, his face. And but I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Hit the like button if you like this. And you can find me on Instagram. I'm at James Jam there too. I always words are hard. Stutter on how to say what I'm gonna, how it appears. I should just put it on the screen, but I don't really know how to edit that well. But if my cameraman, who's nodding like this, wants to learn, that would be helpful. It's it's a long description. Jame, Jame _S_jam on Instagram. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.